Open the Blueprint section to explore all predefined blueprint categories. Click All Categories. Categories: Finance, Healthcare, Human Resources, Legal, and Real Estate. Search Rent Roles in Real Estate, AI-generated blueprint. Clone and modify it for your needs. Create your own custom blueprint. Click Create Blueprint, enter name, display name, and select a category. Click Add Field. Enter field name and extraction instructions. Add multiple fields as needed. A field can be deleted instantly if needed. Click Create Blueprint to generate the blueprint. New blueprint appears in the list. View, edit, deactivate, or delete anytime. That's how you create a custom blueprint.